What's up, y'all? Today I thought I'd do a short video on how to replace this little anode rod that goes inside of a hot water heater, because I never knew this until the other day. But I'll go through the process here later, but there's a cap up there. Of course, the top of mine is filthy. There's a cap up there that holds this rod, and all this does is catch the minerals in your tap water to help keep your water heater from rusting out. So they recommend you change this every 5 years to keep it from rusting. This one is probably 20 years old or so and never been replaced, so I'm about to do it today. Go through the steps. Kind of the first thing you want to do, mine is obviously a gas. I'm going to turn the gas off and also replace the thread tape on here because I think it's leaking a little bit. But you want to turn the water off. I'm actually going to turn the inlet and the outlet, the hot and the cold, off. And then you should have a drain somewhere. Mine is right here. Just hook a water hose up to that once you've got everything shut off, and take a flathead screwdriver or something and turn that there, and it should start draining out. So I'm about to hook my water hose up to it, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, I'm back. I just unhooked the water hose. You can see it's still dripping here, but I got most of it drained out. Just take your flathead, like I said, open this. That allows the whatever's in there to flow out. So next step, I'm going to be, I believe it's actually this cap. I don't know, I'll find out, but about to pop that off and get access to the hex head, which is the top of the anode rod. So let me do that and I'll come back. Alright, well, I was wrong. This is not actually a cap, I don't think. It's just a little recessed area, but it was this one here. You're going to see like some styrofoam insulation type of stuff. You got to dig all that out to get access to the nut of the anode rod. So let me do that and I'll come back again. Okay, I wanted to show y'all this real quick because it was in neither one of these two. After digging way down in there and not very far there, I couldn't find it. And those are the only two that I had with caps. So I kind of was like, what the crap? And I had a hole here, but it has this like fuzzy, almost like hair-like insulation, but it has the foam underneath, and that's actually where mine is. I don't know if you can see it very well, but the top of the anode rod is there. It's rusty. It's never been removed. I had to dig some more of this insulation and crap out. I just used the old case pocket knife and my flathead. So we've got a socket to put on that, and hopefully get it out. I might put an impact on it just so it's easier. Alright, well, my 1/2-inch Craftsman impact would not budge this thing, so I had to take a Harbor Freight jack handle to use as a cheater bar and get all the insulation down here, but finally got it out. This is what is left of my anode rod. Like I said, this is an older water heater. This has never been changed, so it's gone. It's supposed to look like that, but there's so much corrosion and junk. I mean, it did its job, but if there's nothing there to catch the minerals and whatnot, it's going straight in your tank. It's going to start rusting. Fortunately, the water that came out of mine was not rusty, so hopefully I can put this in, and it'll make it last a little while longer. This head was 1 1/16" size socket. I think they're pretty standard that size. I mean, don't quote me on that, but I think they are. Anyways, I'm about to put this new one back in the hole, tighten it up, and be done with this. So I just wanted to kind of post this for somebody that hopefully this will help save them some money, help make your water heater last a little longer. Something I didn't know until a few days ago. So anyways, hope this helps, guys. Thanks for watching.